everyone, welcome back. It's Charlotte from At Charlotte's House. It is real hot here in Connecticut, so I'm hoping this won't be a long project, but I am trying to make a tufted headboard for my daughter Eleanor. I am not doing a typical tufted headboard. The one that you imagine has sort of buttonholes and there's lots of different places where you tuft through the fabric. No, I want to do sort of long strips of tufted boards, and I'm following a tutorial that Mandy did for a built-in banquette. It looked fairly simple. I've always loved the way it looked, and Eleanor said I could try it on the headboard. I had the Home Depot cut the sheets of plywood to start. Not only does it make it easier to get into the car, but it also saves me a little bit of time. So this is the basic shape of the headboard, and I have two pieces of plywood that are exactly this dimension. I'm going to cut this one into strips. I'd like each of my tufted pieces to be about 5 inches. The Home Depot won't cut anything smaller than 12 inches, so I'm on my own for this, but should be pretty simple if I set up a support and a guide for my circular saw. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I've finished cutting all my strips, and now I need to cut down the foam. So I am just going to use these strips and trace them. My secret weapon for cutting foam is an electric bread knife. So I'm gonna get that set up, and I'm gonna cut down some foam. I am marking the edges of my foam right now. I ultimately want them to have a semicircular look. I can't afford semicircular foam, so I'm hoping that if I trim the edges and then wrap the fabric, that'll look good enough. So you see how I'm gonna come at it with an angle? I'm essentially cutting off this corner. So it's not very neat, but I think once I wrap it with batting, it'll be better. I'm back inside where it's air conditioned. Now I'm cutting out my batting. I've doubled it over so it just cuts a little faster. And I'm trimming a wide enough strip so I know it can wrap around both my board and the foam that I just cut. All right, now I'm ready to start upholstering. This is Upholstery 101. You just want to wrap the batting around that plank and make sure you pull it evenly on all 4 sides. Clean up the corners as best you can, and you're done. I forgot to record this part, but you're going to wrap the fabric around the planks in exactly the same way as you wrapped the batting. I wanted to make sure I showed sort of how I support the headboard. So I have screwed in from the back all of the slats, all of the tufted strips, and then I'm just using some 1x3 lumber, and I measured how high from the floor I wanted the headboard. Obviously it's upside down right now. And then I also measured how far apart the bed frame was. So if I want to screw the bed frame into these legs, I can. I think probably it'll be sturdy enough, just sort of pinned between the wall and the bed. But those measurements mean I can, like I said, screw it into the legs of the bed if I want to. Eleanor loves her new headboard, so do I. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, everyone.